Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Sign in with the Apple ID that your contacts use and connect the iPad to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once done, open the FaceTime app and grant camera and microphone permissions if prompted. Make sure you've enabled FaceTime in settings so it's active. Now tap the plus button or search a contact. This immediately prepares the call, showing recent contacts and suggestions so you can start without extra setup. Tap a contact, phone number, or email to start a FaceTime video or audio call. If you want audio only, choose FaceTime audio. During the call, use the flip camera control to switch between front and back, the mute button to silence your mic, and the speaker controls to choose output. You can add another person by tapping Add Person and selecting someone from your contacts. Make sure to use Picture-in-Picture to continue other work while the call stays visible. When you're done, tap the red Hang Up button to end the FaceTime session. You can also switch to FaceTime audio or return to the home screen using Picture-in-Picture to keep the call running. If video or sound is poor, troubleshoot by confirming both parties' Wi-Fi or cellular signal, signing out and back into FaceTime, and installing any iPad OS updates. If FaceTime won't activate, restart the iPad and check that FaceTime is enabled in settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.